Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. There is a many animal here, and there is the here first one is a cheetah. Look at this. This is a so nice and beautiful cheetah here. So I collecting the cheetah also at side here. There is the next one. This is a sheep. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful sheep here. So I collecting the sheep also at this side here. There is the next one. Oh my god, what is this? This is a very nice and pretty pig here. So I collecting this pig also at side here. There is another one. What is this, guys? This is a octopus. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful octopus here. So I collecting this octopus at this side here. There is the another one. Oh my god. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful dog here. See, this is so nice and beautiful dog. So I collecting this one also here. Okay, and there is another one. Oh my god. See guys, this is a very nice and beautiful. This is a here is, what is this, guys? This is a very nice and beautiful goat. I collecting this goat at side here. There is the another one. Oh my god, look at this. This is a very beautiful and nice color combination zebra. I collecting the zebra also outside here. There is another one. Oh my god, what is this? This is a Toritoras. See, this is so nice and beautiful Toritoras. So I collecting this one at this side here. There is a next one. Oh my god, this is a monkey. This is so nice and beautiful monkey here. So I collecting this monkey outside. Okay, and there is the another one. This is very big one. This is a giraffe. Look at this. This is so nice giraffe. So I collecting this big size giraffe outside here. Okay, and there is the next one. Oh my god, this is a very angry tiger. collecting this one at side here. There is another one. Oh my god, this is a very nice and beautiful cow here. So I collecting this cow at side here. There is another one is here. Look at this. This is a very beautiful and nice color combination. This is shark. So I collecting this shark also at side here. There is the another one. Oh, this is a rooster. Look at this. This is so nice and beautiful rooster here. So I collecting this rooster at this side here. There is the another one. Oh, what is this, guys? This is a very nice and beautiful polar bear. So I collecting this polar bear at side here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of animals. Thank you so much.